Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over an update from IQST, ticker symbol IQST. We're going to break down the charts as always, and we'll also look at the Shiba Inu and kind of go over the charts and see what they're telling us on that end. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content and our updates, and also leave me a comment below. Let me know, what you think of the video. You like it, dislike it, and what you think about these two things that we're talking about, IQST and Shiba Inu. So this came out yesterday, so some of you may have seen this already, and apologize if I'm a little bit late to it. I did see it, just didn't have time to make the video. So I'll just kind of briefly go through. It says IQST expects to report $64 million in revenue for 2021, generated primarily from providing telecommunication services for a global migrant market. The company has forecasted $90 million in annual revenue for 2022 as it expands its services beyond telecommunications to include financial services and electric vehicle transportation, among other vital services in short supply to the global migrant market. IQST is in the process of uplisting to the NASDAQ. The company has achieved the required shareholder equity necessary to list on the NASDAQ, in addition to securing a strategic investment to fund the company's growth objectives over the next 3 years. In reaction to the company's upcoming audited financial report and continued progress toward its intended NASDAQ uplisting, management is optimistic that the IQST price per share will organically increase to reach the NASDAQ minimum listing price. In conjunction with the company's growth and uplisting objectives, CEO Leandro Iglesias published regular updates narrating the company's progress. He plans to release his next update in a letter to shareholders this Thursday, February 17th. In the next update, he intends to feature his business expansion potential by highlighting the market's potential for IQST's technology-enabled services. Migrant remittance market IQST includes in its technology-enabled service expansion is currently estimated over $700 billion annually and expected to exceed $1.2 trillion annually by 2030. So on the 17th, he's expected to release something to the shareholders. I'll make sure that I get a video out to you guys for sure on Thursday for that update. Okay, let's go over really quickly the charts to see what they're telling us kind of coming into Wednesday. Alright guys, so looking at IQST, it just fell off of a cliff all the way down to about 50 cents, and and then it got a buy signal, which is a great sign, and then that article came out to where we gapped up, and now we're already above that red SMA line, which is a great sign. So if we can get some volume coming in and get above about 61 to 62 cents, that'll be even greater for us moving forward. So we have a decent day today. Then depending on what that shareholder letter says tomorrow, it could start moving more and more and more and try to creep back up towards that 70-cent mark, in my opinion. We are crossing over from bearish to bullish on the MACD. RSI says we're about fair value, so we do have a little bit more room to run up before some type of pullback. So I'm hoping that we can get to maybe about 70 cents, 72 cents before we kind of settle down, maybe consolidate around here and then push back up further. But I think this one's poised for a nice move to the upside, in my opinion. So right here, 50 cents, guys. 50 cents is a very attractive buying opportunity. Anywhere from 50 to 60 cents is a great buying opportunity. If for some reason it would crash down and go down to 35 cents, which I don't see that happening, then you better believe I'd come in and buy a lot more. But in my opinion, this is one of the easiest double up plays in for sure the OTC market, because I think it's going to creep back up and hit $1.50 sometime this year. I don't know how long it'll take. And so anyway, so currently right now at about 61 cents. So even if you can't catch it at 50, at 61 cents, and sell it at $1, I don't know, that's a pretty decent return on your money. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Shiba Inu, and we'll talk a little bit about that and kind of go from there. All right, guys, looking at the Shiba Inu, we are currently at 403078, and we're down almost 2% roughly right now. I did buy some more yesterday, kind of sticking to my plan every 2 weeks. we're going to buy another million until we get a huge run of momentum to the upside, and it starts creeping up and shooting up or whatever. I continue to buy a million every 2 to 4 weeks, and just kind of keep stacking. So I want to show you why I kind of feel like we could stay here for a little while, but I think that we are kind of poised also for another leg up fairly soon, and it's just based on the history of the charts, right? So when you're looking at here, where it had a long consolidation period, and a little pop up, long consolidation period, big spike up, and then we fell down, and another long consolidation period, where basically what I mean is it just traded sideways, right? Traded sideways, and then shot up again, okay? Then a little pullback, shot up again, and then now what we did here is we had a shorter consolidation period, which it's kind of similar to this here, and now we shot up, not as high as we did back here, but we did shoot up. So I kind of expect that we're going to have another little small consolidation period, and then possibly shoot up and try to get above that 4, 0, and 4 mark, and then maybe hold there for a little while before making a bigger move, unless we have some other type of news come out prior, which they release news on this fairly often. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, you can see that that we have all these articles and stuff that comes out. But anyway, I just wanted to provide you that update on the Shiba Inu. We are holding strong at this 403 mark, which is a great sign. And like I said, I'm just continuing to, as long as it stays at this level or below, I'll just buy a little bit more here and there and throw 20 to 30 bucks in, depending on how much the price is. Grab another million and hold. So anyway, guys, just wanted to provide you that quick update. Let me know your thoughts below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.